while it remains divided within itself. Good morning, respected Managing Director Dr. P.S. Sudan sir, Principal ma'am, respected directors, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Today, we have come together not just for a stage event, but for expression, for a chance to reflect on the world we live in and the world we hope to change. Through discussions, skits, dances, songs, and poetry, we explore three powerful forces that shape our everyday lives: gender, caste, and religion. These have always been important parts of identity. Gender shaping roles and expectations, now evolving towards equality and respect for all. Religion guiding faith and values, now evolving towards ideas of peace and humanity. And casteism, a long-standing social division, it has often determined status and opportunities. While these identities do give us a sense of belonging, they also, at times, have created barriers of discrimination and inequality. But today, it's not about division. It's about recognition. It's about recognizing the fact that the true progress lies in unity, where no person is discriminated based on these three factors, but on their action and their character. So without any further delay, let's begin. So, I request each one of you to please stand up, put your right hand on your left shoulder and get ready for the morning flag. When the mind is without fear and the head is held high.
When the mind is without fear and the head is held high.
Where knowledge is free.
Where knowledge is free.
Where the world has not been broken up into fragments.
Where the world has not been broken up into fragments.
By narrow domestic walls.
By narrow domestic walls.
Where the words come out from the depth of truth.
Where the words come out from the depth of truth.
Where the mind is led forward by thee.
Where the mind is led forward by thee.
Into ever-widening thought and action.
Into ever-widening thought and action.
Into that heaven of freedom.
Into that heaven of freedom.
My Father.
My Father.
Let my country awake.
Let my country awake.
Break the bias of gender, abolish the stigma of caste, and rise above the narrow walls of religious division. Humanity is the only religion. I repeat my thought. Break the bias of gender, abolish the stigma of caste, and rise above the narrow walls of religious division. Humanity is the only religion. Thank you.
This skit is not just a performance, but a message, one that inspires us to think, act, and change in positive ways. This story is not just about caste, but of a society based on caste, uncontrolled religion, and silenced women. The time when birth decided birth in a girl's dream ended before they began. If I learn, maybe I can become something more.
Girls do not study. Your duty is to serve.
But why?
Because this is dharma, questioning it is a sin. If this is dharma, why does it feel so unjust?
See to Jyoti Rao and Savitri Bai seated. You have been silent. What troubles you?
A girl denied knowledge and a man denied water, all in the name of society.
Well, that's how it's all done.
Then it should not remain that way. Savitri Bai, will you learn?
Me? They laugh at us and even insult us.
Let them. Ignorance shouts, but truth endures.
Offers book. She hesitates, almost refuses, and then takes it. What if I fail?
Then we rise again.
If I educate myself, I'll not be the only one to do so. I'll make sure every girl is taught when she was told she cannot. And so began a revolution. Not with swords, but with books. Scene 3. The school and the story. Do not fear. Here, you are guided, not judged. What if they come? Then perhaps they learn too. Education is the most powerful gift, and no one can ever take it away from you.
Stop this! Women teaching, this is against the religion.
Which religion teaches ignorance?
How you question us?
Savitri Bai pauses, closes eyes, and wipes. You may stop me. You can never stop the sun from rising.
This is not religion. This is fear hiding behind it. But you are breaking our society. No, we are rebuilding it.
We are stronger and not afraid anymore. Scene 4. The real fight. Their fight was not against people, but against system that oppressed women, divided caste, and misused religion. We took everything, my dignity, my
We are denying water, dignity, life. Then from today, my well is yours.
You will find your home.
No, I will cleanse my humanity.
Why? You always speak against the religion.
No, not at all. I speak against injustice, dressed as religion.
The true faith uplifts, it never divides. Stayed fine, they were insulted, rejected, opposed, but never stopped. If you educate a women, you educate a whole generation.
If you break caste, you restore humanity.
We fought in a time.
Now the question is, will you fight in yours? Education,
For everyone,
dignity,
beyond caste,
truth,
beyond language and religion,
humanity.
above all. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Today, we are here to explore the three most important aspects of human society: gender, caste, and religion. To understand them properly, we must not just simply define them, but also study how these structures evolved over time. Many historians and thinkers suggest that these systems did not just simply appear together, but they gradually got developed as the human society gained more complexity. So today, we'll explore them in a chronological order, starting from the early human history to the modern human world. In the earliest human societies, the first visible form of social organization was based on the gender. People believed in small groups where survival was the priority and roles were often divided based on physical abilities. For example, some members hunted while others gathered food. Moreover, this division was mainly practical and not based on superiority or inequality.
According to ideas discussed in Sapiens, early human societies may not have been strictly unequal. There is no clear evidence that one gender always dominated the other one in prehistoric times. This shows that gender roles are not fixed, but have evolved with time.
Gender refers to roles and expectations created by the society. Organizations like World Health Organization explains that gender roles are shaped on education, culture and environment. This means that they can change and are changing even today.
In the modern world, gender equality is essential for progress. Studies by United Nations shows that when all the genders have equal access to education and jobs, societies become more productive and stable. Today, the focus is shifting from stereotypes to opportunities, allowing individuals to grow based on talents, not labels.
After early social structures, religions began to develop. As humans tried to understand the unknown, natural events like death, diseases, and storms became unknown, leading people to believe in supernatural forces.
The earliest form of religion was animism, where people believed that nature had spirits. Later, this evolved into polytheism, where different gods were associated with different aspects of life. Ancient civilizations like Mesopotamia and Egypt followed such systems.
Over time, religions became organized as structure. Major religions like Hinduism, Buddhism, Christianity and Islam developed with clear traditions, moral values and tradition. These religions spread across regions through trade, travel and communication. Despite their differences, all religions share common ethical principles. They promote values such as trust, compassion, non-violence and service to the others. Scholars of religion often highlight that these shared values are beyond beliefs. In modern societies, religion is considered a personal choice. In countries like India, the idea of secularism ensures equal respect for all religions. This allows people of different faiths to live together peacefully, making diversity a strength rather than a religion.
Caste system developed later, specifically in settled agriculture society. In India, the early Varna system divided people based on occupation and role in society.
Initially, this system was flexible and allowed movement between roles. However, over time, it became rigid and birthplace, leading to the formation of thousands of social groups, known as jatis. This shift created long-lasting social divisions.
Historical and sociological studies show that caste system evolved over centuries. Even scientific studies, including genetic research, suggest that practices like marrying within specific groups became more common in later historical periods. This proves that caste is not a fixed system but one that has changed over time.
To
Today, the importance of caste is gradually decreasing. Education, urbanization, and laws have helped reduce social barriers. The Indian Constitution also promotes equality and prohibits discrimination, ensuring dignity and opportunity for all the citizens.
To conclude, gender, religion, and caste did not appear together. They evolved at different stages of human history. While they shape our past, they should not define our future. Because true progress happens when equality becomes a source of strength and not a limitation. Thank you.
Classical dance is a timeless art form that reflects our rich cultural heritage and traditions. Please welcome Chetna, Bhavika and Bani for their classical dance performance.
Hindi poetry is the most powerful way to express thoughts, emotions and imagination. So please welcome Jasleen and Ramjot for Hindi poem.
घर की ऊंची दीवारों में इंसान कहीं खो जाता है। मिट्टी का पुतला है, ऊपर पत्थर का हो जाता है।
जाति के तंग गलियारों में बट गया है खून का रंग। भूल गए सब एक ही जड़ है, फिर कैसी जीत और कैसी जंग।
बेटा बेटी के भेदभाव में अनसुलझी दीवारें खड़ी की हैं। कहीं पंख कतरे बेटे के, कहीं बेटी घर में कैद की है।
पर सोचो, अगर ये भेद ना हो तो खुला आसमां सकता है। ना कोई छोटा ना कोई पराया, ये सारा जहां सकता है। मंदिर मस्जिद या गुरुद्वारा, सबसे पहले इंसान बनो। जात पात के बंधनों से ऊपर तुम मानवता की पहचान बनो। तुम मानवता की पहचान बनो। धन्यवाद।
Now we present a thought-provoking English poem including important social issues and promotes the value of equality and respect. They named me before I could speak, etched a label into my skin, boy or a girl. Then they named me again, not by my heartbeat, but by the house I was born into. Same hands, same soil, yet called cleaner or dirtier. And then they named my soul. This is your God, that is not, and you stay outside. I grew up collecting these names, like scars no one could see. A girl shrinking her laughter, a boy swallowing his tears, hands refusing hands, hearts fell apart, as if humanity itself had borders. And I asked, who drew these lines? Was it the earth? No, it holds us equally. Was it the wind? No, it touches sky? Well, it never asked our names. It was us, but something is changing. And suddenly, history trembles. What if we met, not as labels, but as humans? Because when the noise fades, when the walls fall, what remains is a heartbeat. Yours, mine, and ours. And it sounds the same. So let's meet, not as gender, or caste, or religion, but as something older, as something sacred, as a human recognizing another human for the very first time. Thank you.
Now again, Hindi song.
Now we present an energetic performance on a lively song Waka Waka by Anushka.
You're in the front line, I've been watching. You know I see your garden close, this isn't over. The press is on, you feel it. You've got your job, believe it. When you forget oh, if you forget pay, cause this is Africa, waka waka hey, cause this is Africa.
तो जरा हमको है ये कहना, वक्त है क्या तुमको पता है ना, तो मेरी रात जाके दिल है तो जागता, वो जो कहे जो भी सही तुमको लगे चलो, कभी कभी वो शक्ति है, कभी कभी वो भक्ति है, न झुकती है न रुकती है, न थमती है न थकती है, न झुकती है न रुकती है, न थमती है न थकती है। वो शक्ति है, 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 वो शक्ति है।
सपनों के पंख हैं, साहस की उड़ान है। सपनों के पंख हैं, साहस की उड़ान है। साथ खुला आसमान है, पास हौसलों का दम है। साथ खुला आसमान है, पास हौसलों का दम है। जोश कुछ कर गुजरने का है, कुछ कर गुजरने का है।
वो शक्ति है कि जिसको अपनी शक्तियों का ज्ञान है, जिसके हाथ में कमान लक्ष्य पर ही ध्यान है। जो चक्रवात की लहर के सर पे चढ़ के झूम ले, कि प्रश्न चिन्ह तोड़ कर जो उत्तरों को ढूंढे। वो शक्ति है, 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 वो शक्ति है।
सरपरस्ती जब अपनी मिट्टी की हो, शोलों पर चलने की हंसी हो। सरपरस्ती जब अपनी मिट्टी की हो, शोलों पर चलने की हंसी हो। शबनम बन सजने की फुर्सत किसी, लिबास फौज जब गुरूर हो। जज्बाए हिंद जब सुरूर हो, जज्बाए हिंद जब सुरूर हो। और इबादत में शहादत मांगी हो, शहादत मांगी हो।
जो आग और बर्फ दोनों साथ लेके चलती है, जो तीर में बदलती है, जो ढाल में भी ढलती है। जो एक पल में अग्नि है, जो एक पल में नींद है, जो पत्थरों की स्याही से खींची हुई
कोयल सी बोली अब भरती है दुदुम्भी रणधीरी का। कोयल सी बोली अब भरती है दुदुम्भी रणधीरी का। जीत का गीत दोहराएंगी जवानियां, लहू में दुर्गा पद्मा लक्ष्मी की रवानियां। लहू में दुर्गा पद्मा लक्ष्मी की रवानियां।
मोड़ेगी, जो ले लिया है एक बार रण कर के छोड़ेगी। रात उसकी ध्यान ले कोई न दर्द की उसे फिक्र न चोट चाहिए।
हर चिलमन, हर हिजाब, हर घूंघट नहीं बाट जमती अब कृष्ण की। क्योंकि द्रौपदी भी जान गई है कि कृष्ण न आएंगे अब, उसे स्वयं करनी होगी रक्षा।
कोई डर